So in this video you can see we're gonna clear some doubt about the comma. Okay, so the common doubt came to the student mind that we are not placing a space bar after hello and Nathan or hello Lalit. So does in output the space is come, or they are just attached to each other? But it's not the case. As you can see, we do print hello Nathan and hello Lalit, and between them a comma is been there. Okay, so if you see in the output, hello Nathan and hello Lalit is been print, so comma automatically give the space bar between them. Then we create a greet1 variable. Inside it there is a hello Nathan, and greet2 variable. Inside it there is a hello Lalit, and name1 Nathan, name2 Lalit. Okay, then on print we print greet1 and greet2, which is hello Nathan and hello Lalit. So there is comma. Because of that comma, here come hello Nathan and hello Lalit. Then after that we print hello, then name1, then comma, then name2. Okay, now the thing is that we let this comma in double braces. Okay, so hello is print there, and name1 it is been there Nathan, so Nathan is been print here. And after that this comma which we place in double quotes come here, and the name2 Lalit is been print here. Okay, so this is how things goes. Then name1 and name2 we write the Purvi and owner, we just use the same variable. But as you know that Python is dynamic, setting is there, so even though we use the same variable name1 name2, it changed the name from Nathan and Lalit to Purvi and Hunar. Okay, now we print hello name1 name2, so automatically after hello name Purvi come in name1, and in between them a comma came, and name2 Hunar came. Okay, so the main point which I want to discuss is that simply using this comma, okay, the space automatically come. You don't have to give space after the hello Nathan or before the hello Lalit. Okay, so this thing has to be clear in your mind, otherwise you unnecessary giving space and again and again. Okay, so this has to be clear in your mind. Thank you.